Hi, my name is Deanna Williams. I am the coordinator of digital learning and instructional materials. I'm going to show you how to access and integrate your Edpuzzle subscription through Schoology. So when you're in your Schoology course, you're going to go to Add Materials, Add File Link External Tool, and you're going to click External Tool. And here you're going to do the tool provider. You're going to do the top Edpuzzle. I'm going to put sample here just so I can delete it later. And you're going to click Enable Grading. You must click this whether you are going to take a grade or not. So you can do ungraded and then, or of course, major, minor. So I'm going to click minor. And then if you click ungraded here, then you can take this off or uncheck sync to SIS, which means you don't want it to go to Schoology. If you do want the grades to go to Schoology, then you do want to keep this excuse me, checked. So here you're going to do the drop down, and you're going to have to do this for each class period. So if your sections are linked, you're going to have to do this excuse me, each time. So I'm going to hit submit, and then I'm going to scroll down to the bottom, and this is my assignment or my Edpuzzle. And then from here is where I'm going to pick what I want to add. So I'm going to go next, and of course these are my Edpuzzles. The class that I'm in right now is obviously going to have something different. I'm just doing this as an example. So you can add activities, and here's where you're going to choose the criteria, and then you're going to assign. So it says right now no students are in. That's because they haven't accessed it yet. I'm also impersonating a student that is currently in this course, which is this. This is the student's side. So I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to click example. And if you get the error message, you're going to want to have them just go and refresh their screen. If you have any questions, please feel free to call me, 6126 or dwilliams@dickinsonisd.org.